Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to open a business bank account in Afghanistan. So let's get started. So here I will just Google and I will directly search for here top business bank list in Afghanistan. Here we can see. Okay. So here we can see. So here are some banks. Okay. So the first bank is Afghanistan International Bank. Then we have Riyazim Bank, Iran. Then we have our Azi Bank and other banks. So I will just open an account in our Afghanistan International Bank, AIB. So I will just come to their website, so www.aib.af. Okay. So to open a business account, you will just click on a business. So here they have three types of account. So I will just go to simple account. Okay. So here we can see. So they have three different types of accounts. So you can just select one. So I'm going with this corporate quad current account. Okay. So requirement documents, so you should be at least 18 years old and you should have a updated license and you should have a AOA and some other requirements, okay, like passport size photo and presence of the company and shareholders and onboarding process of the account opening. Okay, so here we'll scroll down. You can see here the additional services and benefits you can see includes. Okay, so the monthly maintenance or the other fees you can see. Okay, and if you want to open, we'll just click on here at the new customer, then you have to click on this. So here with these required document, you have to go to your nearest AIB branch, then you have to give to the banker and they will proceed and open your account. So this is how to open account on AIB. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.